All right, you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be working with the, what the hell is this? The Sensational wig. It's the Swiss lace wig from the What Lace Hairline Illusion lace wig, and it's in the Solana. That's the one that I'm using today in 613. So this is how it's looking so far. I've installed it using 3 layers of, here we go. I installed it using 3 layers of the Ghost Bond right here. So far, so good. The only thing is the side doesn't go down all the way, but that's neither here or there. So far, I really do love the curls. I know I'm probably gonna straighten it down the line because I think it may get tangled, but we're just gonna see. So I'm gonna show you guys how it looks in the middle part and how it looks in the side part. So I'm gonna give you guys 2 looks in this video. So right now we're just waiting for it to melt down, and before I put the band on, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the rest of the lace off, put the band on, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start to flatten the top and then straighten it as much as I can and get it as flat as possible before I show you guys how it looks in the middle part version. And then I'm gonna go ahead and switch to the side part. So actually I'm gonna use scissors and just split it right here and here. If you have any clips, make sure you got some clips and move it out the way.
Hello, Brian. How have you been? Very well, thank you. He grew up when he found out you were a monster.
So we're just gonna do the same thing to the other 2 sides, and then I'm gonna put the band on and start to flatten the top. So I'm gonna speed through the next process. Okay, for any part that's lifting up, like right there and right here, I'm just gonna add a little bit of glue. Up top, since it's synthetic, you don't want to use too much product, so I'm just going to use a little bit of product. I don't think I'm going to do any baby hair, so we're going to see. Probably just on the corners because it's covered, so you're not really going to see it. Okay. All right, so take a little bit of spray. And I'm gonna take the hot comb one last time and just run across. Alright. Okay, so this is how the wig looks in the straight middle part. This is what it's given. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I think it's so cute. And you just want to take your fingers and just brush through it to kind of loosen the curls a little bit and just make it more full and playful. So like that. Ew. Okay, so this is how it looks in the middle part, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to put it in a side part and how much, you know, how much heat and stuff it could take, and how much heat, and how much heat you can actually use. I'm trying to get the camera back. Yeah, I think it's straight. I hope it's straight, y'all. Okay, so no, it's still crooked. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys how it looks in the side part. Okay, this is a better angle. So this is look number 1. I really do love the curls. Like, it's so playful. Even though it's a synthetic wig, it's not like OD just like ratted and matted. It's soft and playful, and it's just real cute. Yeah. Okay, so my favorite part is the right. So I think that's the part we're gonna do today. Ooh, look at that. That's cute. So you're gonna take piece by piece. I think it's best if you do smaller portions of hair instead of doing a big piece, so you can just get it as flat as you actually want it to be. So just gonna part it, use a little wax stick. Ooh. Use a little, I don't know why all that came out. And then hot comb. Ooh, that thing is hot, boy. All right, so I'm gonna try to just curl this a little bit. All right, this is how the side part is looking. I just curled this a little bit more since I knew it was gonna lose some of the pattern, because I changed the original part. But not bad, definitely not bad. I didn't want any baby hairs. I wanted to give like a nice natural look, and I think I freaking nailed it. Okay, like period. Yes. And as you see, I'm running my fingers through it. It's not shedding it, but you know, it's getting caught in the ends a little bit, so I'm just gonna clip the ends. But I'm gonna show you guys an up close of how the lace is looking. I didn't put any makeup or anything in there, but if you want to, you can. I'll definitely give this wig a 10 out of 10. It being a synthetic wig, I think it really did the job, and I ain't mad at it. For $50, baby, I ain't mad at it at all. Like, it's real. There we go. Thank you. But yeah, like I was saying, for $50, I'm definitely not mad at this wig at all. You could definitely find it on Amazon. But I know Sensational, they have a, I said definitely a lot, but Sensational, they have a lot of good wigs. Like, and I know I'm gonna keep this wig for a long time, because I still have my braided wig, my blonde braided wig from them. But yes, let me know which style you guys prefer. Do you prefer the side part like I have right now, or do you prefer the original middle part that it came in? Yep. Boom. Look at that. Yes, it's so cute. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. Tell Sensational to sponsor your girl, because period. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Leave a comment down below. You can always talk like this. Yeah, leave a comment down below. Let me know which style you guys like best, side part or middle part. I really like the side part. I don't know, it's something about the side part that's really like, it's giving, like it's giving everything it needs to give, okay? And I ain't mad at it, but yep. But again, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see y'all on the flip side. Bye.